Hi, YouTube.
What is going on, guys? Ghost Airsofting here. So, I'm finally back airsofting, and I'm bringing you my latest airsoft outing at Hollywood Sports. It was hot as hell with almost no wind to cool us down, but we still had a good time and won a lot of games. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy my latest airsoft footage.
Nothing.
There's one under the arch. He's moving.
Oh, he's moving, he's moving.
Dang it. Missed him.
Where is he?
They saw him in the back.
I think he's a
He came out of the cover for a few seconds.
There's one where the two small windows are too.
Watch your left sides, guys. Just making sure. There's one. Left side, left side, left side. Where's my shots? Come on, baby. Rewinding, rewinding. Miss. Dang it. Dang it, man.
Where are they? Yeah, I'll push it up.
I say we move up.
We can push up, there is a chance.
You gotta move up because they are coming from the left side. From the left side.
Yeah, got it. What do we got? What do we got?
I'm not as good as you.
All right. Me too. Dang, I'm missing these shots. This guy's straight ahead. Guy almost tripped. Got one. Tango down.
Left side.
Hey, they're on the ropes. Move up.
Hey, move up.
Move up and then we'll follow.
Got two. Hey, dude, come on. Thank you.
The reason
Thank
why
you.
I yelled was because as soon as I shot the guy, he took cover, which I took as him not calling his hits. But he did land up calling it, hence the reason why I said thank you.
No way. How does he see me? How does he see me? What the crap? Aimbot hacks, man. Oh, crap. We're holding him down. Good work. Is there a possibility of moving up?
Yeah, if we try. What?
Is there a possibility? Whoa, no, there's no possibility. Oh, I see.
Oh, wait. You guys walk across that, do you guys?
Nope.
It must have been my lucky day because this was the only true run-in with a cheater that I had.
Come on, dude. We hit you once. Hey, man. I know you want to win real bad, but hey, we got to play fair. So let's play fair. Actually identify as Corey in the house.
Woo! Yeah! Yeah! What's up?
Bro, I shot you 3 times.
Want to push around? I want to push around. Like the
Watch
push.
out then. I'm not trying to shoot you, but watch out. Push up.
Oh, wait.
Push up to the box. Push up to the box. Push up to
Got
the
it.
box.
Got you. Come on out. Come on out. Good job. Good job. Got one. Oh, paintball.
Oh, yeah.
Paintballs.
I'm going.
Whoa. Got one. Move out. Move out. You go. You're good. You're good. You're good. Thank you. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. King of the couch. Who's this guy?
Hello.
Oh, say hi to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
Oh, hi.
Wake me up!
Wake me up inside.
Now, you may be asking why my teammate didn't call himself out. Although the kid ran in yelling bang bang, he did not fully or clearly point his gun at my teammate due to my flashlight limiting his visibility. So technically, this was not an out for my teammate. Although, it would have been more honorable if my teammate called himself out anyway. So, it's quite a debatable situation. What do you guys think? Should he have called himself out or stayed in the game? Leave your answers in the comments below. I would love to see what you guys think about this situation. Unfortunately, some of my night game footage was corrupted and lost. So as much as I would like to show them to you, I can't. So we'll have to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.
Drama Alert Nation. I'm your host, Keller Keemstar. Let's get right into the news.